Hey girlfriends, welcome back to the channel for another video this week. If you're new here, my name is GeranikaMycia, but all my friends call me G, and welcome back to the channel, girl, for another video. So I'm back today with another closet therapy, guys. I've been working on this closet for the past week, so I decided, since I already had everything out, I wanted to go through all of my clothes and I wanted to separate it into categories. So I separated all of my clothes, or my whole wardrobe, into 3 categories: spring, summer, fall, winter, and seasonal. The seasonal pieces will stay out all year round. So right now, when it comes to my closet, y'all, I'm thinking long term. What are you actually going to wear? What can we let go of? A lot of the things that I let go of, because I did do another purge, I realized I was holding on to things because I had emotional ties to them. So anything that made it to this wall, I already tried it on. I know what needs to be altered. 95% of this needs to be altered, and all of these items, I actually still love them. So everything on this wall, like I said, I tried it on. I know what needs to be altered. I know what I'm not buying any more of. That's another tip I would definitely say. You need to create a list of things that you will not buy anymore. Also, be careful when purging, because there's so many items on this wall, y'all, that I wanted to let go of last year. Like this, I wanted to let this go because I don't wear this enough. This is an age dress, and when I put this on and I styled it with the accessories I have today, this is a piece that I can see growing with me. Now, I may get to wear this once a year. Maybe I'm going to like a fancy dinner, a brand dinner, or a brand event, or something special. I can pull this out. So I'm learning it's okay to have those special pieces in my closet without feeling like, oh, you haven't pulled for this all year, you need to get rid of it. I don't want to over purge, but I'm also at the point, y'all, I don't have tolerance for clutter. Y'all, I found this dress in the back of my closet and I completely forgot about it. I got this from ASOS. It's like this off the shoulder dress. It is very dramatic, but look at the details. It's like, oh, disgusting. Also, we did another revamp of my handbags. Nothing too crazy. I switched a few things around because I wasn't feeling it. So let me show y'all what we have so we can move on to shoes, because I want to go in my main closet and pull out some shoes to display up here, so it'll force me to actually pull for those items. And because the more I have on display, the higher chances I'll actually pull for them and wear them. Now, when it comes to this wall, oh, I am not used to it looking so cluttered, but it's okay, because the goal is to actually wear these items. Like, of course, I want it to be aesthetically pleasing, but I need to actually wear these items. Usually on this wall, I like everything to be long. As you can see, it's kind of like up and down, up and down. I had to just get over it because I need as many items on display as possible. Usually out here, I only have dresses, but now I have suits. I have things that I need to wear. Like I said, the more you have things on display, the higher chances you'll actually wear them, because I'm tired of just holding things and not wearing them. So that's what we have here. Now let me show you the bag. The only thing that really changed was the reds. I switched that up. So I sprayed some protector on all of my suede bags, including this one. The pink bag you guys told me to protect, I sprayed her and it actually worked. I wore her the other day and she didn't have any issues. And I finally took this Tom Ford bag out of the dust bag because I need to have her on display. She's a gorgeous bag, but I keep forgetting about it. It's been in a dust bag since I purchased it years and years ago. So now I have her on display. I also sprayed some protectant on her so I can get some wear out of her. Down here, I decided to just put these 2 on display down here because they didn't fit up here, and at this point I really don't care because I need everything to have a home and I need it to be seen. Up here I just have some blue and silver. Everything else is pretty much the same. The black never really changed because I have so many black bags. Let's go pull some shoes so I can display them up here.
Some days I call without you, but I'm hurting
right, y'all, so this is what I have, and you know what, I'm not mad at it. So let me show y'all. Start on this side. I could only fit 2 of the Steve Madden Saturn heels, but I wanted to at least have 2 on display so I could remember that I have the other colors if I need them. So I decided to put the bronze and this mauve pink because right now I feel like I could definitely wear those. And I have the Jimmy Choo Bing, which we need some wear out of. It's a little cricket. We have some vintage Gucci heels. I put some white heels and a lot of black. Let me get over. So I wanted to get these shoes here out of the box because none of these get enough wear. Last summer I did wear the Loewe balloon sandals a lot, but I need to have them out on display. And I completely forgot I had these Prada mules, but I feel like I could pull these off in the summertime or spring. They're cute. So we got those. We love a platform wedge, and the vibe that I'm going for this spring summer, I feel like a platform wedge is definitely, you know, on the list. So I have these old Fashion Nova platforms, which look at that. Y'all, on the foot they look so sexy. So I want to pull those out. We have Gucci platforms because I was a Gucci platform girly, okay? Especially these. When these came out, I worked at Saks and I said, yeah, I need them. Got these, and then right after I got these, he dropped these. These are so heavy, so this will definitely be like a ballet to my seat. But this shoe, this platform with the Gucci skirt, y'all see the vision? Yeah, but I want to wear these even if I wear them once or twice this summer. And I took out all of the Page platforms because I need to wear them. And like I said, this spring summer I'm going for like a look. I have a mood board and all of the things that I want. I already have the shoes in my closet, so I just need to see them. Now these are all of the shoes that I was able to have on display. The rest of them I'll just keep in my main closet. Alright girlies, so I had to change my clothes to a workout outfit because I'm about to actually hop out the house to stop to a class, and after the class I'm doing the sauna because girl, I feel horrible. So last night my neighbor, it's like my foodie neighbor, you know how you have that friend and you're like, you want to go eat? Yeah, but we haven't been doing it because the girl haven't been, you know, on that type of time. Girl, last night I let my neighbor talk me into eating a seafood bag. First of all, I don't eat seafood outside of New Orleans. I feel like it's not worth my time, my energy. I don't care what y'all say. If it's not from New Orleans, to me it ain't worth it and it's not good. Girl, so if we're being honest, I've been in Houston for what, about to be 2 years. I don't eat seafood, so I don't really eat a lot of sodium. Y'all, I woke up this morning feeling like Mrs. Puff. Girl, I'm swollen. The sodium, like, look at my face. My face is swollen, my arms, I'm bloated. I feel crazy. When I tell y'all never again, like if I'm not eating seafood in New Orleans, it ain't worth it. So I'm flushing it out. The only thing you can really do is, you know, do a light movement and water. I don't think the sauna is gonna help, but I'm still going. I have to get my water intake times 10 today. So I'm drinking water with lemon, and I'm also going to drink electrolytes later. But before I leave, because I have a little time, this is the last of my fall winter clothes that I need to put in the container before we get rid of this stuff. So let's do that, and then the girl has to go work out. We need to sweat, we need to drink our water because baby, when I woke up this morning, I saw myself in a mirror. I said, what? But then again, in my 30s, I'm not eating a lot of sodium. Last year, one thing I wanted to do was cut back on sodium, so I started to change the way I cook in my house. I'm not using a lot of salt when I'm cooking, so what I started to do, and it worked, y'all. If I know I want to cook, let's say chicken tomorrow, clean your chicken and season it today. Put it in a container or a Ziploc bag and let the seasoning sit overnight, and the flavor is more flavorful versus having to add all of this Tony's and onion salt. Girl, I don't want to play with that. So last night my body was like, what are you doing? So you're going to sit here and eat all of this sodium? Oh my God, girl, sodium is not my friend. I don't like it. to my Loewe sweaters. I think these could be seasonal. These could be like year round, because let's say I'm going to the airport. It's so easy for me to like take one of these. Is this dirty? That's so aggravating. We can put this in the dirty clothes. So we're gonna take these down. These are gonna be seasonal. I think this one would be perfect to be like a year round, like a seasonal piece, because I could get away with wearing this right now in the spring with like white or cream. I could get away with wearing this. So I think I'm gonna leave this out with seasonal, because I don't want to leave all of the sheer shirts out, because I live in Houston, girl. It ain't that cold. So I think leaving one out is okay, and I'll pack up the rest. I purchased this from ASOS a while back, and I need to drop this off to get altered. I have a whole little section right here. These are the first items that are going to get altered before we touch anything on the wall. So I want to get this altered because I really want to wear this to like a cute little happy hour. So I have to put these boots in storage, and these 2 bags are donations. So I can seal this up. I don't know where I should put this. This right here, these sweaters are a huge question mark. I don't know if they should go with fall, winter, keep them out for spring, or donate them. I don't know. This needs to get cleaned, and these need to be hung up.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Down with you. It's true. I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need is a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time, that I got plenty of, I'll dedicate all my love to you only, baby. I wanna stay by your side, be there to cool you up, and let you know everything will be alright.
All right, girlfriends, so that is all that I have for part 2 of closet therapy. Right now I'm currently happy with my closet. I love the fact that I let go of items, and now I only see things that I'll actually wear. And my goal is to, by the end of the summer, have all of these items that on this wall that need to be altered in some way, have them altered by the end of the summer. So every time I pick clothes up, I'm going to drop some off, and by the end of the summer this should be all good. But I would definitely say take your time, because I'm happy I didn't rush it. If I would have rushed it, I would have probably packed so many things that I needed to let go of. And I like the fact that I don't have a lot of things. I think I'm at the point where I don't have to have everything. Too many things and too many options, I feel like it just gives me noise. It gives me messy vibes. Like, the most frustrating thing is when you walk into your closet and you see all of these items, but you feel like you don't have anything to wear. And I promise you, when you start purging things, you can actually see the things that you care about. You can see the things you want. And I'm very excited to have the shoes on display. I feel like that's definitely going to help me get somewhere out of these items. So I have some fun spring content coming up, and we're going to style some looks, because I feel like I'm in my spring bag now. At first I was in a funk for about a good month, because I don't do well with like the transition when we're transitioning from season to season. So now that I got my closet where I want it, I'm happy. I don't feel like it's noisy. I feel like this is a good vibe right here, and I'm actually pulling out things that I haven't pulled for in years. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the spring content, because the spring content is about to give what needs to be gave. Because I have been just, you know, looking at all of the things that's coming out for spring, and let's just say this, baby, these spring summer shoes, the shoes this spring got me in my feels. I'm excited. Y'all know I'm not even a Chanel girly, but I saw some pieces at Chanel and I was like, wait, it's like he's doing his big one over there. He's giving Chanel some edge. It's not like this prim and proper Chanel that we're used to. That square toe that he's doing at Chanel is like very boxy. I don't care what nobody said. I love it down. Now for me, I wouldn't wear it with maybe like a dress or something, because I don't think that would look flattering on my legs. But baby, the way you could wear some wide leg trousers or some wide leg jeans. When I say wide, it's kind of like the jeans that we're wearing now. Oh, I love that square toe. I love that square toe. So right now, y'all, I'm working on spring content. Hopefully you guys are getting my energy, because baby, when I started doing this, I wasn't feeling it, but now I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I have a whole little situation. So make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Make sure you are still subscribed, because a lot of the girlfriends ask me, gee, where are you? I don't see your videos anymore. Girl, YouTube have a new algorithm, and half of the time they're not showing my videos to my subscribers. So just make sure you click the bell so you don't miss anything new, okay? Okay.